Hey everybody. So today we're going to do some yoga, some yoga stretches. There's a lot of different types of yoga, and the word yoga means to join or union. Most of the time yoga refers to the union of spirituality and the material. So it's like you dialing yourself into the spiritual world. Meditation is yoga, chanting on beads is yoga, breathing is yoga. There's different ways to join into melding the spiritual and material together. The stretching of the body and the muscles, putting blood into every corner of your muscles, fresh oxygen, fresh blood, is very important to keep your body fit. Your body is your temple of your higher consciousness, and we have to take care of it the best we can. Today we're going to be doing this Surya Namaskara, or the Sun Salutations. You can see the sun is up above me, and we're going to be greeting the sun. But this is an exercise that you can do every morning, and it puts the blood in your muscles and oxygen, and makes you feel like fresh. Like literally, after doing this yoga exercise, it's like you feel like you can walk through a brick wall. We're going to do it. There's 12 poses in the Sun Salutations, and you do these 12 poses 12 times, 12 repetitions. We are going to start with some basic stretches that we do before we get into our yoga. You want to put one leg out. Let's try and do this. One leg out and one leg in, almost in like a number 4 position, and touch your toes. Hold it for 5 seconds. Good boy. And now we want to repeat that again as also.
What?
Back away, be careful. Okay, that's good for the legs, gets all your muscles going. One thing I like to do is push-ups, 10 push-ups, because we just stretched our lower half, and if we just do a simple little 10 push-ups, it will put the blood in our chest and our arms. And now our upper and lower has been stretched. Now we can get into the Sun Salutations. Hey, boy.
What?
Okay, and most important, don't forget to breathe while you're doing your yoga stretches. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Remember that when you're inhaling, you want to close your diaphragm, or you want to squeeze it, and then when you're exhaling, you want to expand or release your diaphragm. Other than that, do the Sun Salutations 12 times, 12 poses, you do 12 times. Yeah, and that'll keep you going for the day. That'll give you all the energy. It's like drinking a double shot of espresso. Enjoy your yoga. Let me know how it goes, and we'll talk some more. Hare Krishna.